Hello everyone, today I'm gonna showcase and teach you exactly how to do an edit just like this one that I did for my Instagram a few days ago. I will show you all the techniques I used to make all the fancy visuals and how I made my sound design. I'm excited, I hope you're excited. So let's go on to the first thing, match cuts. Here, as we are starting the video, 30 days I made one. You see this nice sequence of match cuts. These are my raw clips, and just go here and drag your guide where you wanna put your match cut, or what you can do instead is just make a object and just place it here. I'm gonna do that because it's easier. So let's say I wanna do this match cut here. I wanna make sure like my focus point is here on every clip. Let's actually drag it here. And what I will do now is basically just move these clips. As you can see, people look at the face, so I have to position the face every single time in the middle there. And this is how you do basically all match cuts. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect, it doesn't have to be for this style of editing, I would say. But it's important that it's in the same place because you want people to watch this video easily. They don't have to look around to find what you want to show them, basically. And here you see like it's a bit stranger because my clip cuts up there, but I'm just gonna put it as best as I can and not stress about it too much. I'm not trying to make it perfect because yeah, that's not the vibe we're going for. And I'm gonna keep it like this. Maybe just zoom in slightly, and that's it. And now let me remove this, and now you see we have this match cut here. And what I would do is just make an adjustment layer and add your transform effect and just, for example, scale it just like so. Add some motion blur here with shutter angle and just do that. Captions, honestly I just did it with my plugin, which has like these captions already done. I just here to caption flow. We have a bunch of them, but I think I chose this one, and I just changed up my text here on the properties, and I just had for the last 30 days. And you see I just move it here, and this is the whole intro sequence. Maybe add yourself some drop shadow effect if you want to. I'm gonna add a little bit, and let's play it from the start like this and see what we've made. And if I want to change the accent color because it's a bit dark, I just go here, and this is exactly how I did the intro part for my video. Now let's go on to the flash transitions. This outline comes in. It's now all on me. I don't have. So you take your base clips here, and to add the freeze frame, I will just nest this out and add a frame hold, and that's it. Now you see my video is still, and I just did that, and I would go inside the nest that we've just made and go into the object mask tool here and just select myself here and just press on this button. Wait a few seconds for it to load and just drag this out onto the opacity. And now you see we have myself masked here. And what I did is just go into tint and just go full white. Add like a crossfade. Cross dissolve here, maybe make this smaller and cut it like so. The last thing I did is just add this flash with an adjustment layer. Let me show you how to do it. You just make yourself an adjustment layer, and you go to Lumetri color and increase the brightness and keyframe the exposure like this. Let's see. Boom, and that's the transition. And I added my sound effects again with my plugin. I just go here and I have 160 sound effects that I can choose from, and I just go flash, flash. I think exactly this one, and maybe add a whoosh And that's about it that I would do to this part. Nice. And now let me show you the tint, how to do this. So add a tint effect to your video, as you can see here, and duplicate your video and delete the tint on the bottom one. So one on top is tinted and the other one behind it is not. Just like so. And again, I add the same thing that we did for that transition. Just like so. And if we add that zoom in, and let's make it stop here, go here on the graph and just play around a little bit with the speed. Boom. And what I would add maybe to enhance everything, again, go into my text animations, and for this case they work perfectly, and I would just change the color here. Let me make it fully red, change out the text. Now for the rest of the captions that are used in this video, what I did is just go here on the text and click transcribe and just create captions. And what I did is just went to aligned and transform and just put them in the middle or on the side here. And for the rest of more those fancy captions, for example this one, let me just remake it quickly. I just go here and select one of the text animations inside my plugin. I think I chose exactly this one. That's the beauty. And I say that's the beauty of it, so that's the, and just change out the position, drag it down a bit, and that's about it. That's the beauty of it. Beautiful. And just quickly, if you're interested in getting my plugin, at the moment inside we have 520 assets, including backgrounds, done for you captions that you can import with a double click, and super easy customize literally anything in here. As you can see, change the fonts, the positions, the animations, the colors, literally everything. We have over 160 sound effects, so you just, for example, iPhone. So you have literally anything you need, keyboard, risers, and whoosh is literally anything, and transitions, these flash transitions that I used in this video as well, that I used to transition, you see, and they are 9:16 or 16:9, so you just click here and you have vertical and horizontal transitions. Animation overlays, which again you can import, and these are more interesting animations that you can add to your videos. For example, if I want to add a follow CTA, here I just double click, you can have, and you can see, for example, I can end this video with a follow just like this one. And what I need to do is just change my profile picture, the 3 dots here, and you can see my picture is loaded, and I just switch the position, and that's about it. This is one of the animations we have. We have over 65 animations that you can choose from, and lastly more text animations, which are more simple, and these I use all the time for my reels. For example, I can create this super nice sequence. Let's say just subscribe and like. Let me make this bigger. Yeah, you see, boom, boom. And if I would add, how we do it is just add some satisfying keyboard and do it like this, and delete this. And so if you want to get it, just go to the first link in the description. And let me go through my sound. Music, literally you have to get inspired from the music that you like and match to the emotion that you wanna showcase. For example, here, for the last 30 days, let me block my out. I made one of the riskiest decisions of my life. For the last 30 days, I made one of the riskiest decisions of my life. It's something very personal, something like deep. So you wanna find the music that shows that emotion. That's the emotion I want people to feel when they watch this video. For the last 30 days I made, and I listened to NF, I don't know, this guy. I like his songs a lot, so I just literally took his instrumental, NF Fear instrumental. And this is the song, and I just cut it up a little bit to drop here. When my childhood story is being presented. And I kept this whole vibe from when I switched to something was missing. The emotion is different here. The emotion is progressive. We are like getting hyped because things are finally getting better. It's happiness, inspiring. I feel that's the emotion. And I nearly forgot about this, but I wanted to show you this. So how I did this is just take my clips and just go here on an ellipse mask tool and just mask out the clips. As you can see here, just move this, and I just added my clips inside the eye. That's how I did it. And what I did is just put this camera as close to my face as possible and used a zoom lens. I think it's 70 here, and I just filmed as close to my eye as possible. But you can probably use a stock footage even if you want to. Let's go on to the music again. It's all either working or failing, but nice. And then again, this is the highest point, the highest energy. And you finish with some Spider-Man. I don't know, I feel like all people maybe wanted to have like be Spider-Man. I love this movie. My brother likes this movie as well, so it's there. And now, where I just talk raw to my camera, as you can see, there is not as edited as the other parts. I just left this, I think it's Tyler the Creator Studio again just the instrumental. I just let it flow here. And that's basically how I ended the video. I just put this sound effect that I really like, which you can find in my plugin. I like this sound effect a lot. I use it all the time, as you can probably see. And on these text animations, for example, what I did is just upgraded them. Let me show you. Upgraded and just changed the blending mode to difference. And if I move it, you'll see how it looks. And yeah, this is the raw breakdown of this entire video that I did. It took me a bit of time, but this plugin really helped me. I use it literally every single day from my Instagram account, and it's just a way to support me and support the channel and help me produce videos like this one, but also get an amazing plugin which literally will save you hours every single day and enables you to get all my fancy text animations that I did for you in a simple double click. So if you want to get it, just go to the first link in the description. Thank you for watching, appreciate your time, I hope you learned something today, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.